If your cabinet under the sink is packed with a different bottle for every little job around the house, I have some good news for you today. There's a good chance you already have the one product that can replace most of them, and it's probably sitting out in the garage right now. That little blue and yellow can of WD-40 that your husband keeps for squeaky hinges and stuck bolts is actually one of the most useful things you can bring into the house. Most folks only know it for one or two jobs, but it turns out this one can quietly handle dozens of tasks that would otherwise send you out shopping for a whole shelf of specialty cleaners. So today, let's walk through everything this humblekin can do, room by room, so you can start clearing out some of that clutter and start saving a little money along the way. Let's start with one of the most annoying little messes in any home, and that's sticky residue. You know the kind I mean. You peel a price tag off a picture frame or a new dish, and instead of coming off clean, it leaves behind that gummy, sticky patch. That just seems to attract dust and lint no matter how many times you wipe it. Or maybe you've tried to remove an old shipping label from a box you want to reuse, and the paper tears away but the glue stays stuck tight. This is one of those moments where a lot of people reach for a harsh chemical cleaner, but a light spray of WD-40 works just as well, if not better. Just spray a small amount directly onto the sticky spot. Let it sit there for about a minute, so it has time to soak in and loosen the adhesive, and then wipe it away with a clean cloth or a paper towel. You'll find the residue lifts away easily, often in just one wipe, without any of that scrubbing that usually leaves your fingers sore. This same trick works beautifully on old bumper stickers, price stickers on kitchenware, and even the sticky ring left behind after a candle jar label peels off. Once you've wiped the area clean, just go over it once more with a little warm, soapy water to make sure no oily film is left behind, and you're done. Now let's move into another common household headache, and that's scuff marks. If you've got grandchildren running through the house, or even just everyday foot traffic near the front door, you've probably noticed those black scuff marks that shoes leave on tile, vinyl, and even hardwood floors. These marks can be surprisingly stubborn, and a lot of floor cleaners simply push the mark around instead of lifting it. WD-40 handles this beautifully. Spray a small amount onto a soft cloth, never directly onto the floor, and gently rub the scuffed area in small circles. You'll see the black mark start to fade and lift away almost like magic. Once it's gone, wipe the spot down with a damp cloth to remove any leftover residue so the floor isn't slippery. This same approach works well on grease splatters near the stove, especially those greasy spots that build up on cabinet doors and walls over time from cooking. A light spray followed by a wipe with a clean rag cuts right through that greasy film without any hard scrubbing. And speaking of walls, if you've ever had little ones visiting and found crayon marks decorating your hallway or living room wall, you know just how frustrating that can be to clean. Most all-purpose cleaners barely touch crayon wax because wax repels water-based cleaners. But WD-40 is oil-based, which means it breaks down the wax almost instantly. Spray a little onto the crayon marks, wait about 30 seconds, and then wipe with a soft cloth. The color lifts right off the wall, leaving the paint underneath untouched. Just be sure to follow up with a little soapy water afterward to clear away any oily residue, especially on flat or matte painted walls, so it doesn't leave a shiny spot behind. Now, many of you already know that WD-40 is wonderful for squeaky hinges, but its talents with rusted and stuck metal go much further than that. Think about all the little metal parts around the house that get stiff or seized up over time. A stuck zipper on a jacket or a suitcase is one of the most common frustrations, especially when you're in a hurry. Instead of tugging and forcing it, which usually makes things worse, spray a small amount directly onto the zipper teeth. Work the zipper gently back and forth a few times, and it will usually glide smoothly again. The same idea works for a ring that's gotten stuck on a finger after a bit of swelling. A light spray around the ring, followed by some gentle twisting, usually helps it slide right off. Though of course you'll want to wash your hands well afterward. Rusted bolts and screws are another place where this little can truly earns its keep. If you've got an old gate latch, a rusted bolt on outdoor furniture, or a stuck screw on an old cabinet hinge, trying to force it with a screwdriver often just strips the metal or snaps the screw head clean off. Instead, spray the rusted area generously and give it a few minutes to soak in. The oil works its way into the threads and breaks down the rust, so when you go back with your screwdriver or wrench, the fastener turns far more easily. This same trick works wonders on outdoor padlocks that have gotten stiff from weather, garden gate hinges that squeak and stick, and even old tool joints like pruning shears or garden scissors that have started to feel gritty and hard to open and close. Now let's talk about something that really surprises people, and that's how well WD-40 works on shining up metal surfaces around the house. Your kitchen sink, especially if it's stainless steel, can start to look dull and streaky over time, no matter how often you wipe it down. A small amount of WD-40 sprayed onto a soft cloth and buffed gently across the sink can bring back a beautiful shine, and even leaves behind a very light protective layer that helps water spots show up less in the days that follow. The same goes for chrome fixtures like faucet handles, towel bars, and shower fixtures in the bathroom. These often develop a cloudy, hard water film that regular soap just can't cut through. A light spray followed by buffing with a clean cloth brings back that bright, polished look you had when everything was new. Just remember, this method is meant for the outside surfaces only, never for anything that touches food directly, so stick to the exterior of appliances and fixtures rather than countertops where you prepare meals or the inside of your sink basin where dishes sit. While we're in the kitchen, let's talk about your stainless steel appliances, like your refrigerator door or dishwasher front. These surfaces show every fingerprint and smudge, and a lot of people spend good money on special stainless steel cleaners just to keep them looking presentable. A little WD-40 on a soft cloth, wiped in the direction of the grain of the metal, removes fingerprints and light smudges and leaves a nice, even shine. Just use a light touch. A little goes a long way, and always wipe with the grain rather than against it for the best results. Let's step outside for a moment, because this handy can has just as many talents in the garage and garden as it does in the house. If you've got garden tools that have started to rust from being left out in the weather, a light coating of WD-40 after cleaning them off can help protect the metal and slow down future rust from forming. This is especially helpful heading into the colder months when tools tend to sit unused for a while. It also works beautifully on outdoor furniture hinges, like the folding joints on lawn chairs, which tend to squeak and stick after a season outside. A quick spray keeps everything moving smoothly and quietly. If you've ever pulled into the driveway and noticed your windshield covered in stuck-on bugs after a long drive, you know how hard those little splatters can be to scrub off, especially once they've baked on in the sun. A light spray of WD-40 on the affected area, given a minute to sit, makes those spots wipe away with far less elbow grease. The same goes for tar spots or sticky tree sap that sometimes lands on a car's bumper, or on outdoor patio furniture. A little spray, a short wait, and a gentle wipe usually takes care of it, without any harsh scrubbing that might scratch the paint or finish. Back inside the house, this can also comes in handy for a few surprising little jobs that most folks never think of. If a wooden drawer has started sticking in its track, making it hard to open and close smoothly, a light spray along the runners can get it gliding easily again, much like it does with squeaky hinges. If you've got an old bed frame that creaks every time someone shifts in their sleep, a little spray on the metal joints where the frame connects can quiet things right down, giving you a more peaceful night's rest. And if a stubborn lock, whether it's on a shed, a mailbox, or an old file cabinet, has started to feel stiff or hard to turn, a small spray into the keyhole followed by working the key gently back and forth usually loosens things up and gets that lock turning smoothly again. One more handy little use worth mentioning is for candle wax drips. If wax has dripped onto a wooden table, a glass surface, or even certain fabrics, a small amount of WD-40 can help soften the wax so it lifts away more easily with a cloth, rather than you having to scrape and risk scratching the surface underneath. Just be sure to test a small hidden area first on delicate wood finishes or fabrics, since every surface reacts a little differently. Now, with all of these wonderful uses in mind, I do want to share a few gentle reminders so you can use this product safely and get the best results. Always use it in a room with a window open or good airflow, since the fumes are strong in an enclosed space. Keep it away from open flames or anything hot, since it is flammable. And as helpful as it is, this product isn't meant for surfaces that touch food, like the inside of pots, plates, or cutting boards. So keep its use to the outside of appliances, fixtures, tools, and household surfaces. It's also a good idea to keep a rag handy for a quick soapy wipe down after most jobs, just to remove any leftover oily film, especially on floors, so nothing feels slippery underfoot. When you start to add it all up, one $12 can is quietly doing the job of a sticky residue remover, a scuff eraser, a wall cleaner, a rust remover, a metal polish, a lock lubricant, a zipper fixer, and so much more. That's a whole shelf of specialty products replaced by one simple can that probably costs less than any single one of those other cleaners on its own. So next time you're about to add another bottle to your cart at the store, take a moment to think about whether that can already sitting in your garage might just do the trick instead. A little goes a long way, and your cabinet under the sink will thank you for the extra breathing room.